No signal, 84 counts, 1 wall, phrased, advanced. Part A, total 36 counts. Part A is tango, paso doble styles. Weight on the left. Section 1, back right, hook left, with right arm above head, left arm in front of chest. Step forward, half back, facing 6. Back left, hook right, with left arm above head, right arm in front of chest, both palms facing out. Cross. Side roll recover. Side roll recover with left arm in front, right arm at the back. Cross. Side roll recover with right arm in front, left arm at the back. Cross. Unwind half turn. Back to 12. Whip your arms to the right, a little bit up to the left. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Weave with sweep. Crawl, side, behind, sweep. Same time, slap left hand out. A quick behind point. Right hand on right knee. Straighten up. Forward with flick and click. Rock left forward. Section 4. Recover with sweep. Sit on left with both hands on left hip. Your body facing left diagonal. Look left, look right. Keep hands on hip. Recover right, full turn, half, half, and forward left. 4 additional counts after section 4. Stomp right together, body facing left diagonal. Arch back and bring arms up in a circle. Palm facing up. That's the end of Part A. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4, and 4 additional counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part B, total 32 counts, cha-cha. Part B always start at 12 and finish at 9. Part B, Section 1. Keep your body facing left diagonal. Step right toe forward, 2 hip bump, bump, bump. Step back on right, pop left knee. Step, lock, step forward. Rock, recover with sweep. Behind 3 forward, facing 6. Quarter side, facing 3. Part B, Section 2. Hold, ball, side. Hold, ball, side right, bump hip right, bump hip left. Quarter turn, sit on right and pop left knee, facing 12. Step, lock, step forward. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 hold, 2 and 3 hold, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Part B, Section 3. Forward, half, facing 6. Step, lock, step, half turn. Quarter, cross, quarter back, facing 12. Back, left, step right together. Roll hips and move body in your preferred way. Section 4. Press right forward, recover, ball, press left forward, recover. Back, hook, to walk, right, left. Quarter hitch, facing 9. That's the end of Part B. Count Part B, Section 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8. Part C, total 16 counts, nightclub. Part C always follow Part B. Start from 9 o'clock and finish at 12. Section 1. Lunge to the right. 1 1/4 turn with sweep. Quarter forward, half back, half forward with sweep. Cross 1/8 side, now facing 730 diagonal. 2 reverse half turn, half press right, recover, half press right, recover, facing 730. Back right with sweep. Part C, Section 2. Behind quarter forward, forward hitch, facing 1030. Behind 3/8 forward, facing 6. Out, right, left. 2 back, right, left. Quarter right, facing 9. Into right basic side, close, cross. Quarter back, facing 12. PK full turn, half forward, half back, facing 12. This is the end of part C. Count part C. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and whole dance count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 whole 2, and 3 whole 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part C. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and then you repeat the same sequence A, B, C. The third C, 16 counts, restart. Third C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. Fourth C, 32 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is A 32 counts restart without the additional 4 counts. Into B, last B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 whole 2, and 3 whole 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ending, quarter forward right. Make a hush hush sign for don't call me up. That's the end of the whole dance.